Hey guys, welcome back to Kat's Kitchen. I'm so glad you guys are back here for another episode. Today we're going to be cooking some skirt steak. So I'm going to show you what that looks like and how we're going to get that marinated. But before we do that, if you guys haven't already, will you please like, share, and subscribe so our videos get out there to new people so that we can help teach them how to cook as well. We would greatly appreciate that. So thank you so much. And then also don't forget about my website. It's linked below in the description box for catskitchenblog.com, where I house more of my recipes. You can check that out. And I'll leave you guys the recipe for this as well down in the description box for you. So today we're working with a strip steak. If you've never seen that before, it looks like this. So it's fairly long, but very lean and thin. So this is going to cook up pretty fast. But we're going to get this marinated just to keep it nice and tender. So our marinade is going to be pretty simple today. I'm just going to be using some salt, pepper, steak seasoning, cilantro, Worcestershire, minced garlic, and some lime juice. And then I'm also going to slice up some onions and mushrooms in here as well so they can marinate. And then once we're ready to throw this skirt steak on the grill, then we're going to go ahead and throw the onions and mushrooms in a separate skillet. So I have my little baby cast iron skillet here to saute all those up. So I'm just going to start off with our salt and pepper. And I'm going to flip it over as well just so we can get both sides coated very nice. And then we're just going to rub it in afterwards. And then our steak seasoning, cilantro. If you have fresh, go ahead and use that. Some Worcestershire sauce. Little tip, if you ever want to make a teriyaki sauce, all you have to do is mix brown sugar and Worcestershire together and dash of salt to balance things out, and then that'll make you a nice teriyaki sauce for either steak or chicken, whatever you need it for. Get our garlic in, and then our one lime. Alrighty, so I got the juice of my one lime here. Now I'm just going to mix this up fairly thoroughly, as much as I can on both sides here. Oh, I almost forgot one more thing. We're going to add in some extra virgin olive oil to this. Now we're going to mix this up nice and thoroughly. After mixing this up, I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator until about half hour before we're ready to cook it, so that the meat can come up to room temperature and the meat can relax before we grill it. So here we are. Here's where we're at right now. Alrighty guys, so I just sliced up our onions and mushrooms and mixed them all in with the marinade. The meat is in there, it's underneath. So now we are ready to wrap this up until we need to grill. And like I said, we'll pull it out of the refrigerator about 30 minutes before we grill, and then we will remove the veggies. We'll put them in a cast iron skillet in order to saute and caramelize, and then we'll grill our meat on the grill. So we'll see you guys back here soon. Alrighty guys, so we are done grilling our skirt steak. I'm going to show you what it's looking like. I did let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure you do that with any protein before you slice into it, so that it does, so all the juices don't run out. So I'm going to show you what we've got here. So it's looking really pretty. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to slice this fairly thin. It's probably a little bit more on the medium side on the thin side, and then the thicker side should be more like a mid-rare. I try to get a good char on it. And then to pair with this, I made some baked potatoes. I caramelized those onions and mushrooms, and I also made some asparagus. You can have any side with this. Anything will taste absolutely amazing with this. You can see how tender this is, even just me slicing into it. Barely any effort needed. That is perfect. So I will just show you mid-rare piece. That. Look how beautiful and juicy that is. So that's on the thicker side. And then on the finer side, we got more of a medium, but it's still nice and juicy. I did taste a little bit. It is so good. So I'm gonna make up a plate and I'll show you what we've done.
Hey guys, so here it is all plated up. Our baked potato with some sour cream, a mid-rare portion of our skirt steak, and with some asparagus on the side. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.